Oh.
Ready?
All right.
We do it again? Now we have it. What's with the no laughing now that we got the camera? No giggles, huh? Come on, we tickle you to get some giggles? We want a good hearty giggle. Come on, Bubba. A good hearty giggle. Want to put it back on here for Mommy? Yay! Okay, I'm going to tickle you. So you're not giving us a hearty laugh. You're not giving me a hearty laugh. Mommy's going to tickle you. Yay, we got a good laugh on the camera.
Yay.
Did you stop it?